What's up, Connor? Pop the hood for me, brother. Pop the hood for me.
Oh,
that ain't you? Where he at? Oh, shit. My bad.
You all right? Hey, bro, you got 75 cents. I'm trying to catch that bus. They're going to be coming in 3 minutes. I just called him, bro. I need 75 cents.
Let's see what I got. I don't know. I ain't got 75 cents, but I might have some loose change. Give me 1 second.
All right. Call the terminal. They said we're going to be in Baker. We're going to be in about 3 more minutes.
Yeah, I'm out front, man. Where you at? Put me in a bad spot. All right.